Hello everyone, my name is Lexie Hudspeth. I am 23 years old and I'm from Kalamazoo, Michigan. I graduated from Michigan State University with a bachelor's in animal science. I am taking this course because I would like to better my application for applying to vet school and pursue my dreams of becoming a veterinarian. So now I'm going to show you some pictures, some fun things that I've done. I'm going to start with a few things that Michigan State offered me, and then we'll go on from there. Alright, so here are some chickens that we got to raise for our animal and nutrition class. So with this one, this is our baby chicks starting out, and this is when they got a little bit larger. So we did get the reward for having the leanest chickens out of our class, which is the group that we were placed in, which is the results that we did want. So this has to be by far the coolest experience I ever had that Michigan State did offer me. So I had the opportunity of going to the Galapagos in the Amazon with this wonderful group right here. And I also got to meet these wonderful tortoises that are on the Galapagos Islands. So with this trip, we did a lot of hiking, a lot of snorkeling, and it was just one of the best experiences of my life. This experience was more vet related, which I did enjoy. So I had the opportunity to go to Nicaragua on the island of Ometepe, and we got to spay, neuter, and vaccinate the dogs on the island, which we met a lot of great people there. We had a lot of awesome food, and this is one of the pups that we spayed there. Alright, so now we're going to talk about, I'm going to show you pictures of my family, my best friends, my biggest supporters, and my dreams here, and then what I also like doing in my spare time. So this is my family. This right here is my mom. This is my brother, Gregory, and my dad. This is a picture of all of us on my brother's 21st birthday. As you can see, he is very excited for this day. And this is a picture of me and my brother. He is my best friend, biggest supporter, and we have a lot of fun together. And this is a picture of my best friends. So this is Kelsey here and Allison. I have been friends with Allison since middle school. So we go way back, but she is my best friend. All right, and this is a picture of me, Hannah, Brittany, and Houston. We have a lot of fun going to Cowboy Up and line dancing, which is where this picture was taken. And I also love to travel. So this is a picture of me with a Munising sign. So one of my favorite places to travel is to Munising, Michigan, and hiking over pictured rocks, kayaking along pictured rocks. It is just a beautiful place, and it is by far my favorite. Alright, so this is me at my job, which I also love my job. I am a veterinary assistant at our emergency animal hospital here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. This is me holding my coworker's ferret. We had to do a little surgery on our ferret this day, so I got to practice holding a ferret that day, and it's one of the best jobs I've had, my favorite. Alright, so that is a little bit about me and my life, so I cannot wait to meet all of you guys and watch all of your videos. Alright, see you later. Bye.